Hi guys, I've teamed up with Hoselink Australia to show you how you can make pesto from fresh basil growing in your garden. First thing you'll need is about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves. Make sure you give them a wash and pick out any caterpillars. You'll need about 20 grams of Parmesan cheese or another hard cheese of your choice. You need 3 or 4 cloves of garlic and about 20 grams of pine nuts. You can use macadamia or walnuts if you prefer, and about 1/3 to 1/2 a cup of olive oil. And you need a blender, so chuck them in. Make sure you squish them down tight. There you go. Break up your parmesan. My trick with parmesan is not breaking it up. Is if you don't use it very often, to store it in the freezer so that it doesn't go off in the fridge. And your garlic, pine nuts, and olive oil. Also really good with a squeeze of lemon, or if you're my dad, some anchovies. And there you go. Fresh pesto is really delicious on homemade gnocchi or pasta, but I prefer it with